Hi my dear students, welcome to our channel AB Maths 360. Today we are going to learn some important GK for all examinations of general science. Let's get started our questions. Study of moon known as option A cosmology, option B paleontology, C selenology and D heliophysics. What is the correct answer? Our correct answer is that is option C selenology is the correct answer. Okay, what is the chemical symbol of gold? Option A GO, AU, option C AG and option D GD. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is that is option number B AU means arum. Arum is the chemical name of gold. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Option A Jupiter, B Venus, option C Saturn, option D Mars. What is the correct answer? So correct answer is that is option number D, that is Mars is the red planet. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Option A pancreas, option B stomach, option C kidney and option D liver. What is the correct answer? Please comment your answer in the comment box. Our correct answer is option number A, that is pancreas is the correct answer. Which gas is released by plants during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, B nitrogen, C oxygen and option D hydrogen. What is the correct answer? If you know, please comment your answer. So answer is option C, that is oxygen is the correct answer. Okay, what is the smallest unit of matter? Option A atom, option B electron, option C cell and option D is molecule. So what is the correct answer? Our correct answer is option A, that is atom is the smallest matter. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which of the following is the best source of vitamin A? Option A honey, B carrot, C orange and D wheat. Which is the rich source of vitamin A? So our answer is option A, that is carrot is the rich source of vitamin A. So next question, which organ is responsible for filtering waste from the blood? A liver, B lung, C bone marrow and D kidney. So what is the correct answer? Filtering organ is that is none other than option number D, that is kidney. Okay, now move to next question. Which part of the eye gives us color vision? Option A pupil, option B cornea, option C retina and option D lens. The correct answer is that is option number C, that is retina is the correct answer. So now move on to the next question. Which law states that every action has an equal and opposite reactions? Newton's second law, Kepler's law, option C Archimedes principle, option D Newton's third law. Which is the correct answer? So answer is option number D, that is Newton's third law. Okay, now move. Which of the following is the main compound of water's ink? Option A silver nitrate, option B silver chloride, option C ammonium chloride, option D ammonium nitrate. So our answer is option A, that is silver nitrate is the correct answer. The number of ribs in the human body is option A 22, option B 23, option C 24 and option D 25. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is that is 24 ribs is the correct answer. So which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Option A Mars, B Jupiter, C Venus and D Mercury. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is that is C, that is Venus is the hottest planet. Okay. Who discovered of hydrogen? Anthony Lavoisier, Henry Cavendish, Joseph Priestley and option D Mercury. What is the correct answer? If you know the answer, please comment your answer in the comment box. So our answer is Henry Cavendish who discovered hydrogen. So going to the next question. Which are two important parts of human beings in the magnetic field must be generated? Option A muscles and heart, option B arms and legs, option C eyes and visual nerves and option D heart and brain. So our answer is that is option D, heart and brain is correct answer. Okay, next question. Ice is floating on water in a beaker. When the ice melts completely, the level of water in the beaker will be option A increases, option B decreases, option C first increase and then decrease and option D remains same. So what is the correct answer? So answer is that is option number D, that remains same. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Which organ is responsible for producing red blood cells and white blood cells? Option A heart, option B kidneys, option C bone marrow, and option D lungs. So our correct answer will be, that is option number C, that is bone marrow is our correct answer. Okay, next question. Powerhouse of a cell is known as, option A chloroplast, B mitochondria, and C Golgi complex, and D ribosome. So what is the correct answer? That is option B, mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell organelle. The molecular formula of glucose is, that is option A C6H12O6, C6H6O12, C12H12O6, and C12H6O12. What is the correct answer? So our answer is option A, that is C6H12O6 is the chemical name of glucose. So next question. Gobar gas mainly contains which gas? Option A carbon, option B natural air, option C methane, and option D ethane. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, that is methane. CH4 is the answer. Okay, 1 horsepower, that is 1 HP is how many watts? Option A 1000 watts, 846 watts, option C 476 watts, and option D 746 watts. So what is the answer? That is option number D, 746 watts. 746 correct answer. Velocity of light is maximum in, option A water, option C vacuum, option C diamond, and option D steel. So what is the correct answer? That is option B, that is vacuum is the correct answer. So vacuum is the correct answer. Okay, now move on to the next question. The sky appears blue due to which phenomena? Option A diffraction of light, reflection of light, scattering of light, and refraction of light. Which will be the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C, that is scattering of light. Scattering of light is the correct answer. Okay, which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Option A frog, option B kangaroo rat, option C camel, and option D crocodile. So correct answer is, that is option number B, kangaroo rat is the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The fibrous bands that connects two bones in a joint, that is called, option A cartilage, option B tendons, option C ligaments, and option D strings. So which is the correct answer? The joint between two bones is called, that is ligaments. Ligaments is the correct answer. Okay my dears, okay my dear students, our season is ended. Please comment your score in the comment box. Out of 25 questions, how many you have scored? So if you want to more interesting GK videos and many more, please subscribe my channel. Thank you my dear students. See you soon.